Tia. I know, you just woke up. You want some treats? Do you? You have to be cute for it. Come on. I know, you did one spin. Do another. Do another. No. Good girl. You want another? Come on. Up. Up. Come on. Not you. Good girl. Oh, I don't know where it went. Oh, you found it. And look who's jealous. Look who's jealous. You don't get any, Diego. You want one more? Tia, you want one more? Come here. Come here. Come here. No, come here. Come here. Please? Tia, come here. TT. Fine, just stand up or something. Come on. Be cute. Please? Spinning in a circle doesn't really count. You know, Diego, I really shouldn't give you any. It's probably gonna make you sick. Up! Oh god. Tia looks so pissed. I know, Tia, I'm gonna give him one of your treats. Up! Good boy. I'll give you one more, okay? You're both gonna end up getting sick. Oh, now you want to be cute. Alright, all gone. Both of you. You look so cute, though. Chew it, Tia. I should have broke that in half. Please don't choke and die. You alright, baby? There it goes. Guess the white ones are harder on her teeth. Diego. Diego. Fine, screw you. Hi, baby. Hi, baby.